Hi everyone, in this video I will share about the rental bookkeeping spreadsheet that can help you track your rental business efficiently. This spreadsheet is designed to keep track of the income and expenses of your property rental business and has an overview of expenses breakdown over a period of 12 months or a year period. The spreadsheet is suitable to track a single property or combine income and expenses of multiple properties. Let me show you step by step on how to use this spreadsheet. First, you need to go to the Annual Overview tab, input your property name, input your property purchase price and the market value. Then go to cell C36 and input the starting month and year. Under the column of income, input the sources of your property income. For most people, the income should be coming from rentals. So for example, just input rental income. If you have other sources of income such as late payment charges, just input the name of the sources of income under the column of income. You can input out to 20 sources of income under the column of income. Next, go to the column under expenses and input the expenses categories. You can input out to 20 expenses categories. Common expenses for property rental business are like management fees, mortgage, advertising or marketing fee, utilities fee, property taxes, insurance and more. After that, go to the expenses tab on the left side to input the expenses of your property rental business. First, input the date. Select the category of expenses from the drop-down list and input the amount of expenses. You can do a comparison of expenses category by going to the comparison tab. Select out to 3 expenses category to do a comparison over a 12-month period. Simply select the category of expenses from the drop-down list and it will show you the trends of each expenses for the 12-month period. Under the biggest expenses, it automatically shows the largest expenses category among the 3 selected expenses category in a 12-month period of time. Another useful feature of this spreadsheet is the property portfolio. If you own multiple properties, it allows you to have an overview of the total values of your properties, annual rental income, annual expenses, and average net rental yield. The pie chart here shows the breakdown of the value percentage of your property portfolio, and another chart here shows the net rental yield of all your properties to let you see which property provide the best rental yield. To use this feature, you need to manually input information such as property name, type of property, property market value, property purchase price, fee involved when you purchase this property such as legal fees, the down payment you put for this property, the mortgage, the yearly interest of the mortgage, the yearly rental income, and the yearly expenses for the particular property. After you have input the data, it will automatically calculate the gross rental yield, net rental yield, and return on equity. Next, the property rental income and property expenses table requires you to manually input the year and annual income expenses of each property for the corresponding year. As I mentioned before, this spreadsheet is designed for tracking expenses and income for a 12-month or a year period. After finishing 12 months and starting a new year, you have to start with a new blank spreadsheet and you need to copy the record of annual income and expenses of each property into the new spreadsheet. Lastly, there is a tenant details tab for you to record and keep track of your tenant details such as their name, deposit paid, email address, phone number, address, city, state, and zip code. You can manually add in more rows according to your needs. In conclusion, this spreadsheet is really useful if you want to track the annual income and expenses of your property in an organized and simple way. It gives you a summary of your monthly rental income and expenses and shows you the annual rental income, expenses, net profit, average monthly net profit, profit margin, and gross rental yield. It helps you monitor the expenses of your property, avoid unnecessary expenses that can reduce the net profit. Thank you for watching until the end. Do check the link in the description or comment section below to find out more about this spreadsheet. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like button and share with your friend. Do subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more video about how to use a spreadsheet to manage your businesses. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.